Today we will solve one more question of in LeetCode, which is LeetCode 74, search in a 2D matrix. So there is given a matrix and a target value. You just have to return the true if the target value present in a matrix, or you have to return the false if it is not present in a matrix. So this is the easiest question of a array. First you have to find the size matrix comma matrix dot size and in temp equals to matrix of 0 dot size, and then run the loop for int I equals to 0, I less than, and then I plus plus for int j equals to 0, j less than m comma j plus plus. You have to check if matrix of I comma j is equals to target, then you just have to return true. Okay, and after this you just have to return false if it is not found, then you just have to return false. Let's run this code. Yeah, this works fine. Let's submit it. Yeah, this has been submitted. Thanks for watching.